The Department of Fire and Emergency Services is looking to suggest the state government to install fire hydrants in densely populated areas, especially marketplaces where big fires tenders cannot enter. After a review meeting with senior officer at the conference room of the police headquarters, Francis Kharshieng, who is the IG of the Fire and Emergency Services, told reporters that they can use fire hydrants to quickly connect to water and enable immediate firefighting efforts by someone at the scene. He said this setup will be of great help to control fire while reinforcements are arriving.
That we set up hydrants, fire hydrants, rather in dense localities and especially marketplaces where the large fire tenders cannot approach. So immediately we can use the hydrants to connect the water and send the water right ahead, and somebody in front can go and use and start firefighting immediately.